Okay, this is week 14 backend Promineo course. We are creating and updating pet stores on our pet store table. So this week um, we had to make classes. Had to make classes for the pet store data for the pet store customers and pet store employees. These classes are basically data transfer objects so that it can read into an entity. The pet store entity is basically what it's doing. And then we had a pet store controller class created. So we made a method to create a new pet store and also a method to update a pet store. And so it checks, goes in there, make sure there's not another checks to find the pet store. If there isn't a pet store with that number, then it comes in here to the global error handler, and it catches the exception messages, and like the no such element exceptions, kicks out HTTP response code 404, not found, and then add some more details. So I wanted to create an exception message with the HTTP status code, timestamp URI, and then kick that out. So it gives the person with the inputs more information as to what was going on, what was wrong. So let's show you that it works. Go over here to dbeaver. That doesn't cause too many problems. Refresh this, all's good here. So first I need to show you that I can post to the table. So I've got my post set up here. You can see none of this Blackfoot Pet Shop is in here. So I'll click send request. Oh, that's good news. Glad that didn't go through because I need to start my job application. This my computer kind of runs slow. It'll go here in just a minute. Okay, it's ready to go. So back to dbeaver, back to the ARC. Let's try that again. 201 created, cool. So I'll refresh this page. There it is, Blackfoot Pet Shop. Now I want to send a put, so I want to update the super. This is pet store ID 1, so that would be the super crazy pet store should become super duper crazy awesome pet store. Let's see if it worked. Refresh. Super duper crazy awesome pet store. Awesome, so that worked. Now let's say pet store ID 7, I want to update that. I only have 4 pet store IDs. So let's see what happens. Pet store number 7, 404, not found on status code 404. And it gives me a no such element exception. Pet store with ID 7 does not exist. Shows me my timestamp and gives me my URI, the pet store 7. So that all worked. Good news.